This is a story about me and my two friends, Mary and Craig, and our wild adventure in colorful Colorado. Our story starts off in Estes Park, Colorado, where we stayed in a beautiful cabin overlooking the valley, as well as having a perfect view of the Devil's Head Summit. The Devil's Head Summit has also earned itself the nickname the Sleeping Indian Mountain Range because of its shape. It looks like a sleeping Indian taking a nap on his back. So we left the safety of the cabin and we headed towards Boulder, Colorado. On the drive there was so much to look at. The Rocky Mountains did not disappoint. There were boulders everywhere you looked.
This metamorphic rock is a megmatic gneiss formed in the Proterozoic era about 1.7 to 1.8 billion years ago. It forms much of the deep crystalline basement of Colorado. Welcome to Boulder. Here's a boulder.
Our first stop in Boulder was this giant bookstore. While Mary and Craig explored the bookstore, I found other ways to entertain myself. Next, we went to the candy shop.
Here's Mary, wearing a mask because it's 2020. This is the year of the mask.
After the candy shop, we decided it was time for lunch.
Cabin. Also, just FYI, they've had a bear on the deck in recent weeks, so don't leave anything out overnight and close the kitchen windows.
Once we'd finished lunch, we decided to walk around outside for a little bit, and we happened to stumble upon this little book and record store.
We should get our fortune told.
Good. How you guys doing?
Yeah, alright, thank you. Alright.
This store was tiny and crammed full of all sorts of interesting things, like these pictures, a bicycle, a collection of old Life magazines, some records, and this interesting Lenny Bruce record. We did a bit more browsing, and Craig decided to buy a book. Then we were back out onto the streets of Boulder, Colorado to listen to good music, eat ice cream, and have an all-around good time.
Great town, great town.
Before we knew it, it was time to head home, so we stopped by the grocery store for a few quick things and headed back towards the cabin.
7:05 p.m. on our second day in first day in Colorado. Don't know days anymore after that 2-day long road trip. And we're gonna play some Jenga, cause why not?
Why are we videoing this? It's too much pressure. If my father watches this and I lose, I'll never live it down.
So Craig decided to tip the odds in his favor, and he picked up his guitar. It was so subtle at first.
Jenga.
In between
jams.
Oh no. Peanut on the floor. Nice.
This is the Jason method.
The flick.
We'll flick the brick method.
The Bruce Lee method. Oh, that's not gonna hold, is it? Uh-oh, Craig. You're not gonna lose it. Because this is gonna fall.
Then it took a suspenseful turn.
Okay, hold on. I'll get it back. No, it's sketchy. It's sketchy.
Oh my god, he did it. Snaps for Jason.
I like the dramatic music.
Some of us handled the pressure quite well. Others of us did not.
Will you quit?
It's like a game show.
Will you stop, please?
What's up?
Craig! Will you stop, please?
Oh, oh. Oh, she's gonna spin it all the way around.
I can't with you two.
No. It's so much harder. You should just do it with the music.
Shush!
Okay. Like a surgeon. She spun it like halfway around.
Oh my god, watch me knock it over putting it at the top.
Jenga.
Just so we're keeping track, the order is Mary, Craig, then Jason. Mary tried to distract me with her air guitar, but my hand was steady.
Sounds like a game show. Like you're on TV and your dad will watch it.
Craig's plan was going great until he went for Mary.
Ooh, that wobbled a lot.
It wobbled a lot.
Was it even my go then? It
No.
wasn't even my go.
You went for Mary. You gotta pull. You have to pull the next one.
I have
Now.
to put, so I did Mary.
You did
And now I
Mary's
do
for her.
mine.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks. Appreciate
You
that.
like.
But it's about to go.
Side.
Oh my god. Because you were just talking about your go.
No, I have to go again.
Yeah.
Mary got skipped. God, why couldn't you have been like skipping me? I want that one really bad, but the thing is it's twisted. So if I twist it back, okay. I still don't think it.
You are such a puppet.
Yeah,
Jenga.
Jenga. The bottom looks pretty good though. It's pretty sketchy.
Mary's go.
Mm-hmm.
Just a note for myself, really.
Let's see how it is. You're just helping out Mary.
What are you doing? A dramatic drum roll.
My heart is panicking. You know I have anxiety
Okay,
problems.
please stop though, honestly. I would appreciate it. This is terrifying.
It's a game of Jenga. Ooh.
Happy song.
I just turned it back, Mary.
Shush!
Mary the Builder. Can she fix it?
Comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for our next adventure. Here we go. Take off.